to this point where Bailey killed his bird last weekend, and I mean, couple, 4 times. Not really a sense of location, but a good sense of direction. Dude, he hasn't made a word. We sat here for 15 minutes. I haven't heard anything. We did have a side-by-side blow through here. I don't know if that spooked him or not, but we'll back to camp. See if we can hear other birds from there. If not, get in the truck and drive up this upper road. Woo!
Oh my goodness!
Did you not see him?
Yeah,
oh, okay.
I saw Josh raise his, so I let him go.
Gotcha. Yeah, I was like,
Josh, let him get really close, let your dad whack him. He goes, oh yeah. Oh, pulled his head off.
yeah.
Good job. I was waiting for you to shoot. No,
we
because
you were at angle
where he came up. You had a better angle, so I just and I saw you bring your gun up, so I just left it alone. I let you go.
Well, I could see him over here, and he put his head down, and so I just kind of.
Jeez.
His head fell off.
You should just stand on it, not pull too hard.
I was hoping.
We sat
I saw
down
his head come up,
right up here,
and I was like, oh, that's
and
perfect. And then he started
there's
looking
birds.
left, and I was like,
We were working these birds down here pretty deep,
10 feet,
and then
we're
just
gonna
out
be
of
kinda in
nowhere,
the way, and I was like, yeah.
right on top of us. I was like, oh, that's close. And he just worked my brother's route, which is perfect.
Yeah, you want
I think my brother smoked him at like
There's
20 yards.
What is that?
Let's go kill another.
Are you gonna take this back?
Yeah.
Put it in the truck. Pass the camera off to my brother. I know. I want to get my dad on one.
Hey, I do have something to tell you. Their feet smelling like cinnamon toast or gingerbread?
Gingerbread.
That's a damn lie. That's a damn lie. I don't know what type of gingerbread you're eating.
I did shoot one that it did smell like gingerbread, but it was in a burn, and I think that kind of had like the ash I don't know, but most of them smell like poop, huh? Like
Coda told me that, and I spread his feet open and took a big whiff. I was like, God, that's...
yeah, you got to go in pretty gentle.
I think we'll just, rather than blowing this spot up, go back to camp, have some breakfast, go down where I thought the side-by-side was going to go this morning. We'll try in there. I know there's a bunch of birds in there. We'll try that, midday and come out here this afternoon. There's just no sense of blowing up the spot. Alright, so we were just driving down this road, and we passed 3 toms strutted out here in the meadow. So we kept on going. I'm gonna have my dad walk the road up, try and cut him off. We're gonna try and loop around him, see if we can get a shot on one of them. Set up here somewhere.
And I just watched as soon as he came out in that clearing, put the bead on him, let one go, and he wasn't even phased. Not even phased, man. I mean, he turned and made a beeline this way. Didn't flop.
Huh.
And it was just a clean miss.
It's
Just a
okay.
clean miss. God dang it, that worked out so perfect.
It did.
Where did you go?
Let's slip out of here real quick and Dad just missed a very killable bird.
He poked his head up over that log and it was like perfect.
That's
Oh,
awesome, man.
That was intense.
Yeah, it was.
That one moved this way. That one went, poked his head up way above the log like he was trying to look over that log.
Uh-huh.
And I just went, boom!
Yeah.
Little Jake.
Dude, he was standing right there.
Fired
I pulled up, and I go click. Did you hear my gun?
No.
It goes click, and then you come running past me.
It's awesome.
Dude, that was a circus.
We got set up right in here, and Bailey was just doing some soft calling, and these jakes were just going off. They're pretty far. After like 20 minutes of like them just not budging, Bailey came over and he was like, dude, they're not budging, let's go. I was like, all right. So I got up on my knees and my dad was like, right there. They closed the distance, dropped down, they literally circled us. I watched them the whole time just circle us. And then Bailey called them to 20 yards. Heck yeah. All right, just got some pictures. Get this bird back to camp, just a roost for the night. We'll be done hunting. Get on him again in the morning.
You feel it like down the side of your spine and your
You know, helps with back pain.